Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Hero MotoCorp. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Hero MotoCorp with a price target of Rs 6,057 on a healthy recovery in EBITDA margins, strong response to its latest products, continuous focus on premiumization, and expansion of its EV markets. The performance of its EV business is expected to coming quarters on rise in volumes, launch of new affordable products, and availability of PLI benefits to new EV products. Further, the rural recovery augurs well for the company due to its strong presence in rural market. Stock trades at price to equity multiple of 20.3 times FY26 estimates. Next, we have an update on HiTech Pipes. Our analyst retains positive view on HiTech Pipes with an upside of 25%, increasing the valuation multiple considering its strong net earnings growth outlook over FY24 to 27. Anticipated reduction in steel prices during Q2 of FY25 till date has nullified price differential with secondary pipe players. Strong volume growth tailwinds for second half would help HiTech achieve 30% year-on-year targeted volume growth for FY25. Sustainable long-term demand trajectory has led to chalking up of expansion plan to double capacity to 2 MTPA from FY25 in next 3 to 4 years via planned equity raise of up to Rs 600 crore. Early mover advantage in catering to solar project is expected to provide incremental volumes and higher operational profitability through recently commissioned Sanand unit.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.